Ako, ang dami ko nang nasubukan. Buti na lang natuto ng maaga.
Kung choosy ang anak mo sa food, ito talaga ang goals. Mahirap naman talagang pakainin ng mga kids minsan. Pero mga mommies, it's possible. Importante na magawa natin to so that our kids can get the nutrients they need for their age. Sweets are the second most consumed food by toddlers, next to rice. And their total sugar intake is similar and is even higher than adults. So how do we get them to eat different healthy foods? Alam nyo ba that our kids' food preferences are formed as early as pregnancy? This is what you call early food programming. This is affected by the food that you eat nung buntis ka at ng mga pagkain kinakain mo sa harap nila. If they see you enjoying vegetables, magku-curious din sila to try it out for themselves. Did you know that it takes more than 15 times before a toddler accepts new food? And just try?
No.
And try?
No.
And try?
No.
If they don't like it now, we offer it again in a different way. Or with food they already like. When a toddler says no to a certain food, he is asserting his independence. Just try to give him more control. Involve him in preparing meals.
Parents, huwag tayong susuko.
Just say yes to being their role model, to keep on trying, and letting your kids help. You have the power to shape the eating habits of your kids so that you can give them the right nutrition they need for them to grow.
Yum, yum. Please like and subscribe.